everyone, let's make beef yakiniku. First ginger, garlic, and brisket steak. Put all garlic and ginger into the beef. Then kikoman soy sauce 2 until 3 tablespoons. One tablespoon of sesame oil. Then 1 tablespoon of sweet soy sauce. Then mix all together. Then put in the fridge and marinate for 5 until 8 hours. While waiting, let's prepare onion, chili, pepper, salt, MSG, and butter. If you're done with marinating the beef, don't forget to heat the wok in medium heat and then put 1 tablespoon of butter. Put the onion and chili and saute it for 1 minute. Put the beef inside and cook it until tender. Don't forget to add oil if it is too dry, and don't forget to always stir it. Add more white pepper. Add little bit of MSG. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Keep stirring it. Cover the wok with lid for 2 minutes. Stir it again. Add black pepper if you like. Don't let it too dry. Now it's time to serve it in the plate. Enjoy!